We all know that the WhatsApp is the most used instant messaging application. And of course, it is where the status or the stories get updated more. But we all do feel like the inbuilt editor is good for nothing. Well, today in this video, we're gonna change that, showing you 6 of the best hidden features for the WhatsApp status, which is on another level, and also all done within the WhatsApp only. Welcome back my friends, hope you are doing well. This is me, your host vmsulthan. I'm considering myself that you know the basic things about the WhatsApp and WhatsApp status too. And also all these hidden tricks are basically concentrated on WhatsApp status, but you can apply all the trick for everything in WhatsApp. That is, you can use it when you are sending or sharing the photos or videos to chat groups and so on. Anyway, let's start with the first feature. Do you know that you can choose up to 4 different fonts while sharing pictures on WhatsApp? Just consider as I am updating my status. So just choose a picture from the gallery. Now just start typing by tapping on the T button on top and just type whatever in your mind. So from here, before closing the text editing canvas, tapping on the T button again will change its font type, just like this. So there are about 4 different fonts to choose from, and as you see here, I'm trying to make something out of this picture. Now if you want to add another word, press the T button again. You can pinch in or out to make the text smaller or bigger. Also, if you think a font does not match after placing it on the picture, you can change it easily from here itself. That is, make sure you have selected the correct word. So just tap and hold on any color and then start sliding to the left and see the font changes. That's how easy it is now. By the way, you don't need to be creative to make something great. Just think for a moment and align the text that matches the picture in a way. So as you see, with quite a little effort, you're gonna make something that looks very cool. Let's say we want just a solid color to apply those different fonts. What do? Well, just choose any picture and then tap on the pen button at the top right corner. Yeah, from here. Now select the desired color from the color palette or color slider. After that, just press and hold anywhere on the picture. Yeah, that's it. Now you have this great canvas to work with. By the way, you can also do the same thing on a video too. So this comes handy when you want to share the audio only from a video, which means you can just add a solid color just above the video section. For the animation or the animated emojis, you either want to place it on a video or a GIF, and it is easy to make a GIF or convert the video into a GIF. All you have to do is, after recording or choosing a video from the gallery, just trim it down to something below 7 seconds. It will bring you an extra button just above here. It will change the video into GIF format itself. I hope you all know that the audio will not be there for a GIF file. Press this emoji button at the top and select this particular flower emoji. And you see a short animation is going around when we play the GIF or GIF. With some workaround, I managed to make this with it, which of course gonna remind you about something else, the G logo. Anyway, apart from that, there is only 2 more animated emojis are available on WhatsApp at the moment. The spider and this heart logo. So yeah, just give it a try. You know, it's Halloween time, so you can make use of this animated spider well right now. You may have noticed this brush tool at the top right corner. So with this tool, you can make the picture or scene more interesting with a little draw on it. Basically what I mean is that just draw something that is apt for the picture. So for an example, as you can see here, I'm just simply putting some white dots with the brush tool. That is around the main subject, which is the track or the bridge here. After that, I use the T button to insert a word that is track. Now again, I'm using the brush tool. Sliding to the left or right will increase or decrease the thickness of stroke. I'm just trying different things to spice it up, and finally came up with these swirly lines with unjoined lines on the first and third ones where it makes in contact with the bridge, just to work a simple dynamic feel. So this is the final result, and as you can see, it brings a personalized feel. So that's exactly what you want to do with this pen tool or scribbling. So just play around with it for just 5 minutes or below, and I'm sure you will come up with a really nice looking simple doodles. So you know how to shoot a quick video just from the WhatsApp itself. That is by pressing this camera icon will bring you to this interface, and then you can tap and hold on the capture button, which will start recording the video. But let's say you want to zoom on a particular thing while recording from here. So how you do it? Well, it's very simple. While you're holding, just slide up. That will zoom the video, and sliding down will do just the opposite. Cool, right? Let's say you have visited a beautiful place and took an amazing click. You definitely want to share it with your WhatsApp status, but don't want to fill your chat with the inquiry for the location. Well, you don't want to worry about it. In WhatsApp, now you can add interactive location. That is, after choosing the picture, just press the emoji button at the top and then select this location icon. Then just provide the required permission, and that will take you to the actual map itself. From here, either you can search for the location that you took the picture, or if you are standing in that beautiful place right now, just tap on the current location button. So after that, now you can decide where to place this button, and you can also change the look of it by giving a tap on it. There is like two type of theme to choose. The highlighted part is that the location button is interactive, which means when your friend does tap on the location, it will automatically redirect to the map application on his or her device. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope to see you all in the next video. But before get going, follow me and say hi on social media at vmsulthan. You can definitely find the links from the description below. Also be sure to make your click count by using the like, share and subscribe button. Or maybe you can also use the dislike button, that's up to you. Anyway, peace out my friends.